to construct tangent to a circle from a point outside the circle. Means a point outside the circle is given, and from that point we have to draw the tangent to the circle. Friends, we know that there are two tangents from the external point or exterior point to the circle. So for this we have to take a particular example, and by taking that example we construct the tangents to the given circle. Listen the example. Draw a circle with center P and radius 3.4 centimeter. Radius of the circle is 3.4 centimeter, and take a point Q at a distance 5.5 centimeter. Means PQ distance is given as 5.5 centimeter. Construct tangent to the circle from point Q. Means from point Q, Q is a point outside the circle. From that we have to construct the tangents to the circle. For this, friends, at first we draw the circle of given radius. Radius of circle is given as 3.4. So take the distance 3.4 centimeter in the compass. Okay, this is the circle with the center 3.4 radius. Okay, the center of the circle is given as P. Radius of this circle is, we mention it, this is the radius 3.4 centimeter. Now draw a ray from P. Draw the ray from point P and take point Q on this ray, which is at 5.5 distance from the P. Means we decide the point Q at 5.5 from the center. This is our point Q. The distance of point Q from P is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, friends. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of segment PQ. For this, we take the distance slightly greater than the half of PQ. Okay, half of PQ. Draw the arcs to the both sides from P as well as from Q. Okay, when we see this, this is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Perpendicular bisector of PQ. By taking this center, suppose this is M as a center and MP as a radius. MP as a radius. Draw two arcs on the circle like this. Okay, these are nothing but this one point and this is another point. Draw the tangents passing through these points and point Q. Suppose the tangent drawn from point Q are QA and QB. QA and QB are the tangents. Okay. In this way, we construct the tangents from the point outside the circle. Okay? Okay, do you understand this method? Let's just listen again. First of all, we draw the circle of the given radius. Here, the radius is given 3.4. So, we draw on the circle of the given radius. Then, the distance of point Q is 5.5 from the center of the circle. Center of the circle is given as P. From P, take Q at 5.5 distance. Q is taken. Now, draw the perpendicular bisector of this segment PQ like this by taking the slightly greater than the half of the length PQ. We draw the perpendicular to the bisector of PQ by taking this M as the circle, center of the circle, and MP is the radius. Make the arcs, two arcs on the circle. These arcs intersect the circle at the points of A and B. Draw line passing through the A and Q, that is first tangent, and from QB, that is the second tangent. Friends, when we measure the distance AQ and QB, these two distances are congruent. In some examples, it is asked, measure the distance of the tangent segment. Then we measure with the scale and write the distance. Okay.